Changing your payout method on Stockgrowers State Bank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payout method is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Stockgrowers State Bank website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select Payout Method. Within the account settings, find the option labeled Payout Method or Payment Preferences. Click on this option to view your current payout methods. Step 4. Choose a new payout method. Select the option to change or update your payout method. You may be prompted to choose from available options such as direct deposit, check, or electronic transfer. Make your selection. Step 5. Confirm changes. After selecting your new payout method, review the changes and confirm your selection. You may need to verify your identity through a security question or a verification code sent to your registered email or phone number. Once you have completed these steps, your payout method will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.